You searched how to buy shares of Vistry Group PLC. This short walkthrough will show the steps. Vistry is a UK home builder listed on LSE PLC under the ticker VTY.L, and this is an educational guide, not financial advice. To trade shares, you need a brokerage account, and I'll use eToro as the example platform to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify the account, usually with an identity document, and add funds to be able to buy. Use the platform's search box and enter the ticker VTY.L to locate the listing. Make sure the result matches Vistry Group PLC, so you select the correct stock. Open the asset page to review basic company information and the price chart for context. Confirm the company name, LSE listing, and ticker VTY.L before proceeding. Click Invest or Trade, choose the amount you want to buy, then carefully review and confirm the order details. If the market is closed, the order may be queued, and if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before it completes. After execution, your new position will appear in your portfolio so you can monitor it. Find the eToro link in the description to follow the same steps shown.